Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you create an Instagram account. So let's continue to Instagram first. After going to Instagram, here you can see in the bottom, create new account. Click on this. Here you can see what is your mobile number. In the mobile number option, you can give your number or you can sign up with email address. Let's sign up with email address. After signing up, you need to press the blue button next. Here you need to put your full name. You need to click on next. After clicking, you need to create a password. I'm giving one. Hold a second. After that, you need to click on next. Here you need to click on save or not now. It is your choice. Here you need to put your birthday date. Just give a date. Here you can put your username. Guys, you can put any username according to your name. I'm just giving a one. After that, you need to click on next. Click on I agree. Hold a second guys, it may take a while. Here you need to put a profile picture or you can skip it. Here you can find friends according to your contacts, or you can just skip it. Click on the blue icon in the top right corner. Guys, here your Instagram account is created. This is how can you create an Instagram account. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.